Dude, so like, guess what? Today, I like, got a new job, and it was like, awesome, but the van was so freaking evil. It was like evil, like, look at him. The rain, yeah, awkward, and he like, yelled at me, like crazy. Yeah, and then his alien brother walked in with his red eyes and started throwing up. I freaked out. See my heart is true, 'cause I hate the way I feel tonight, and I know I need you in my life. 'Cause I hate the way I feel inside, and I promise to make the sacrifice. Yeah.
I mean, it was so cute. I couldn't even resist it. It just had the cutest face.
Come on.
I mean, seriously, look. And he needs kisses. And I never gonna ever do that. But the thing is, he never down for us anymore. With his weird face, he's smoking a cigarette. I got so mad. So I told him to fell asleep. Well, eventually. I eventually got the job because I got the